Heyo, it's Crypto here, and today's video is going to be a quick review of the TradingView software that allows you to graph not only cryptocurrency graphs and their price and volume, etc., indicators, but also things like commodities, the gold and silver price, equities, stocks, mutual funds, bonds, anything you really need whenever you're trading. And I'm just going to try to kind of give you a quick little tour of this software. This isn't a paid advertisement or anything like that. I just want to let you guys know what software I use, since I get so many comments, so many questions. Crypto, Mr. Oracle, what software do you use? Because I use this in a lot of videos, and so I really, there's no like logos really on the screen that tells you it's tradingview.com. I just wanted to let you guys know that is what I use and give you a quick tour just in case this is something you'd be interested in. It's not paid or anything. It's free, although I have a pro subscription because I need it. I use a lot of indicators. I've only got a few on the screen right now because I like to keep it simple whenever I'm posting charts for Twitter and stuff, but whenever I'm really getting into trading, really trying to identify some trends and do some advanced techniques, you kind of need a pro subscription, which I think is only like $10 a month if you get a yearly. But without getting into that too much, yeah, let's get right into it. So as you can see on the left-hand side, you have all of your drawing tools. You can draw lines with these. Let's say you want to draw some trend lines, even though I've already put some on there, you can do that. Horizontal lines, horizontal rays. Horizontal lines are great for, you know, your averages, your supports. Arrows are great if you're trying to chart things out for yourself or maybe for other people that you're trading with. Beyond that, you've got all of your pitchforks, all of your Fibonacci retracements, your Fibonacci squares, pretty much anything you really need, like math related. This is more advanced trading, but this is the type of stuff that you're going to be using whenever you're looking for price prediction, price action, stuff like that. So let's say, here, where's the Fib retracement? Let's say you're trying to figure out where it's going to go to. There you go. And you've got with all your entire Fibonacci sequence, starting at your peak and going all the way down to the bottom of your trough, as well as the price points even. You can see it's within those parentheses right there. It shows all the price points. Beyond that, you've got your brush in case you want to, you know, circle something, say, hey, this is, you know, something. You got text, and this is really good as an educational tool. Balloon, stuff like that, you know. This is the peak. There you go. From there, you have all your patterns, your Elliott waves, head and shoulders, stuff like that. This is all kind of, it's just pre-marked patterns. So like instead of getting a ray or a line and doing like 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever, and then or like getting text for each peak and each trough and saying 1, 2, 3, 4. This just does that, and kind of an all-in-one type thing. From there, you have long and short positions and forecasts. Also great if you're kind of a visual learner, or even if you want to if you have like a third screen or a second screen where you just want to have it up and you just want to say, hey, I'm putting a long position on Bitcoin. I bought it here and I'm looking to sell here. You can draw that out, do everything so that you know, hey, we're already halfway there. Set the goal. There you go. This is just a bunch of symbols. Without getting too much into it, because I'm getting a little detailed, kind of doing it all, you know, all expense paid vacation. At the top, this is where you type in wherever you want. Let's say you want pay token within cryptocurrency. There you go. You can click on it. You can go to the Forex. You can go to futures. You can go to stocks. You can go to the, what is this? Oh, that's economies. Why is it? I don't use that, but basically a lot more than you'd ever need. So tons of value there. On the right side, you have kind of the social aspect. So you can look at, if you click on this, you can actually look at what other people are like predicting and what their positions are. So we're looking at Lana 24794's position. It looks like orange or green. Here we have a long position. If it would load up, basically it shows you what they're looking at in terms of what they think the price is going to. So they say that it's a long, so it's going to go, or it's going to increase, and it's going to go to 10K, and then normally a graph would show up, but it's not loading right now, but it always does. I just haven't refreshed in a while, so don't worry about that. Other than that, you can set alerts for your computer, so you can say, oh, once 10x pay token goes to $2, send me an alert. It'll send you a notification or an email or a text, anything like that, anything you need. Furthermore, you can tweet and take screenshots directly here. So if I want to take a snapshot of this page, then you just click on it. I really need to refresh, so sorry, I was just away on a vacation, so I haven't refreshed in a while. My computer actually froze, so there you go. You click on it and it gives you a quick image URL that you can just copy and paste into your groups, into your discussions, anything like that. You want to tell your brother, you want to send him an email, hey, I just drew this chart for Bitcoin, check it out, bro. There you go. So that's kind of all I have to say about TradingView, other than the fact that I love how mobile and flexible it is, kind of malleable. I love that you can just move it around. You can zoom in and out with your scroll wheel. You can flex this, your y-axis, in case maybe this is doing something for you. If you're really high on mushrooms and you see a pattern whenever you squeeze down the y-axis, that more power to you, man. But yeah, I just love that. You can definitely really play around with the charts and kind of look for those patterns that you don't normally see whenever you're just straight up looking at it as soon as it loads up or something on Bittrex. Because let's say you go to the 1 week, and that looks pretty exciting. That looks like a pretty exciting chart. It looks straight up parabolic. And that's what you normally wouldn't see if you go to Bittrex and just look at it, just like a general chart. So yeah, exciting news for Bitcoin this week. Let's hope it hits 10K. Other than that, check out the links in the description. I actually have a link to TradingView in the description if you want to check it out, or if you want to grab a pro subscription. I think they're doing some kind of Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale where it's like 60% off. So I've definitely checked that out. I personally have a pro subscription because I use so many indicators, as I've said, and because it just gives me every option. So if you're a more serious trader, definitely check out the pro subscription. It's only like $10 a month, because it really gives you, something that you would normally get like in a stock market trading room, something that you would have to have some kind of corporate subscription for, and it really gives you kind of an at-home experience. You can set it into night mode too. You can change all your colors, everything like that. If you don't like the stark white, you can make it black and other colors and such. You can change the colors of your lines. I like to make my resistance lines red and my support lines blue, just because those are cool colors and they're American colors. So other than that, yeah, definitely check it out. Go to the link in the description if you want to get a pro subscription at like 60% off. And yeah, other than that, make sure to subscribe. Check out the first link in the description below if you'd like to join our program, Blockchain Education, which is not only just a general chat room for cryptocurrency trading. You see a lot of those groups out there, but this is a fully comprehensive educational program. We've got training videos being cranked out all the time. We've got live chart requests, so as soon as you want a chart, we'll get them out. We've got a history of chart requests. We've even got like videos. So let's say, hey, I want to know about Litecoin. What should I do with it? When should I sell it? Something like that. We've already got videos cranked out for it, and if you want an updated one, we'll do that as well. So definitely check that out. Click the link below if you want to check out all the features of that program. And thank you guys for watching my quick review of TradingView and my personal opinion and what software I personally use to trade, because I know so many guys were wondering. So there you go, TradingView. Thank you again for watching. Have a good day and good luck trading, everybody.